Ivan, thank you so much for this dessert, Ivan. And of course from Kartini, dearmom.kl. These desserts are inspired by your look in the cover of Sepi. Thank you so much. Let me open this. Yay! Wow! Oh my god. Rezeki ni. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much, Ivan. And dearmom.kl for this beautiful cupcake. And of course, here. This is the one that inspired by the look. I can see it. The feather and the color inspired by the look. But I have to transfer it on my plate because semut nak makan. But yeah, thank you, Ivan and dear mom.